All right, so this week I'm up at Mount Rainier National Park with Will. We're gonna go check out Lane Peak, the fly couloir. Do a little recon mission. We're not gonna be able to ski it today because of avian conditions, but we're gonna look at it, look at it from the bottom, kind of figure out how to get there, and then go ski some trees, just about, or some really sheltered stuff because the wind is absolutely just blowing right now. But yeah, should be a good day. We're looking forward to it. Well, we just gained the ridge out of Narada Falls parking lot. It was pretty wind scored. The wind is definitely gonna be a factor today. But the skiing looks pretty freaking ideal. We skied up some trees that looked very prime, very much like a lot of fun. So worst case, find some low angle stuff and ski that. But it's looking like a go.
Wind show freedom.
Just made it to the fan of the Zipper and the Fly, which are two couloirs off of Lane Peak. Right behind me is the Zipper, and the Fly is just over here. But yeah, we just wanted to come up here, check it out, see how wide the couloir was, see the approach. It's not that bad of an approach at all, but today's not the day to ski that. The wind is way too rough and the forecast doesn't say that it should go. So we're gonna rip skins right here, head down this little powder field. Should be a great time. And yeah, it's been rad. I don't know if you can see behind me, there's a chute and that we just found, and we're in a really well protected area, covered by trees, and I think we're gonna ski it. Should be pretty freaking rad, that's for damn sure. Today's honestly just been a recon day. It's been super chill, 2 laps so far. This will be our 3rd, and just getting after it. As you can clearly see, the skis have come off and we're gonna start boot backing up. And yeah, Will's jamming out and I'm gonna start going up. This is hard. This is really hard work. I wanna go home. our way out. And just had one of the coolest skis in Mount Rainier National Park. That little tiny couloir that we found was definitely really cool. We're climbing back up to Reflection Lakes right now, and then we're gonna ski one more time. But yeah, it is a glorious day out in the backcountry of Mount Rainier National Park. Can't really complain. I am a little tired though, but not tired enough to finish this stuff out. This weather has got to make up its mind. It was sunny, now it's snowing or wind transported snow. Don't really know. Mount Rainier is one wild, wild place. Also, we are almost to the top. It's pretty awesome. Well, that was a very successful day of backcountry skiing at Mount Rainier National Park, and it's too strange. We got to see Lane Peak and the two couloirs that we really want to do eventually. The approach is pretty straightforward, the fly and the zipper. And poked a little around with some more areas to see what's going on. Skied a little tiny, I'm gonna call it couloir for today's standards, but it was really a chute. But yeah, it's a rad day. What do you think, Will?
Absolutely fantastic. Best snow of the year.
Yeah, it was super light. But
I feel like I was in Utah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
But if you want to follow along on 52 Weeks of Adventure, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below what you thought of it. That'd be sweet. But yeah, I guess all there is to say is I'll see you guys out on the trails, and I'll catch you on the next one.